Welcome to a new video of Zack's pronunciation. This word is pronounced diatomaceous. 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 Diatomaceous usually refers to diatomaceous earth, a natural powdery substance made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. Diatomaceous. Diatomaceous earth is a soft, chalk-like powder made mainly of silica, a natural mineral formed over millions of years from fossilized diatoms found in lakes and oceans. It looks like white or light gray powder, very fine and slightly rough, like soft dust, feels dry and absorbent. Diatomaceous. It's used for pest control, filtration, in agriculture, and also in households. Diatomaceous. 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 Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation and check out other videos in the playlist for the pronunciation of different English words.